Welcome back everyone. In this video we are going to talk about the first plugin, which is auto hide desktop icons. It's a very simple plugin and we are going to talk about it. So this is a plugin, hide desktop icons while streaming. So it's a plugin that is very easy. Once you start streaming in OBS Studio or you start recording, it's going to hide all these desktop icons, as you can see right now. So once you add the plugin and install it, you will find it under tools and you will find auto hide desktop icon. I have it disabled. I'm recording right now and it's not working. So let's see if I check this recording is active. Okay, as you can see, it just disappeared. It doesn't remove it, it just hides the desktop icons like what you can do from Windows settings, but it's just being done from OBS Studio. You can make it for streaming or recording or display capture source is visible. So if I have my display capture only working, it will work. If it's not a display capture like a game capture, it won't work. So it's just like this. Recording is active, streaming is active. Check these two if you want and click OK. As you can see, it now gets back. And now from show manual controls, you can force hide, force show, and press OK. And that's it for the plugin. It's a very simple plugin. It's even a script, not a plugin. It's just a simple plugin and it can be very helpful. So see you in the next one.